Happy December. Hi, first graders. Are you ready to do some math? I'm feeling, look, I have all my reindeer outfit on. I'm ready to roll. For math today, please find your green folder. Your green folder is the one that you got at the very start of the school year. Perfect because it's a Christmas color as well. But in your green folder, so find that green folder, and I would like for you to keep turning until you find a number line. Let me show you what the number lines look like. So you're like turning, go past the hundreds chart, and then right here it says number lines. Find that and use your dry erase marker and your dry erase eraser with me. I'm going to put it on the big camera so we can work together. I'll see you in a second. So green folder, dry erase supplies. Here we go. Switching over. Maybe I might be able to switch over. If I ask my camera nicely, it might work. Come on, camera. Please work. Okay, good. It is working. Yay. So on your number line today, like you did yesterday, but we're going to use the one right here. We're going to practice subtracting. So that would mean counting back and counting on with our dry erase marker. So here's what I'd like you to do. First, we're going to write it, then we're going to count it. For the first math problem, we're going to do 17 minus 8. So I'm going to write that up here. 17 is a 1 and a 7 minus 8. 17 minus 8 equals. Here's what that means. Jump on 17 and get ready to count back. So really you're going back 8 hops. Here I am. I like to make a little mark. Remember I'm on 17. So find 17 and let's count back on our number line. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Where did we end up stopping for 17 minus 8? You're right. It was 9. Nice work. Okay. Let's do some more. The next one we're going to do is going to be 14. So it's a 1 and a 4. 14 minus 8 equals. Okay. Tell me what number we should start on. Yes, the big number. So find 14 on the number line. Here's my 14. And count every hop. Because if you just go back without counting, you might not end up on the correct number. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What did we land on this time? 14 minus 8 is 6. Oh, I love doing it on this. This helps because sometimes I don't have enough fingers to do the subtraction that way. Last one I'd like you to try is 15, a 1 and a 5, 15 minus 8. Remember, make your little S and close it up, 15 minus 8. So find 15, always start with that big number. Find 15, here I am. Go back, count back 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here it is. 15 minus 8 is 7. All right. Now we're going to clean this off and grab our actual green math books. And we're going to page 77. So go ahead, clean, 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 clean. Make it nice and neat. And then in your green math book, remember that's this guy, Module 2, green math book, you're going to find, and I turned it quickly. I always have a little bookmark on mine, 77. So I'll make it nice and big in case you're not sure what that looks like. It's a double 77. Find page 77. And of course at the top, and I'm going to make this a little bit neater because I can already tell it's a little blurry. I'm going to make it bigger for you as we work. Page 77 has a thinking bubble right there. Write your name. So write your name, best handwriting on there. Yep. Sometimes I feel like I want to write like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. But I guess I have to stick with my real name, which is Mrs. Jones. It is no longer 11. It's now December. So here's what you're going to write. You're going to write 12 dash, and it's the first day of December that we're doing this. So write a 1 and then write 20 for 2020. In my class, and just like we do as I teach all of you, we circle the numbers that we find in our story. So Kevin had 14 crayons. Circle that 14. 8 of the crayons were broken. Circle the 8. And how many of his crayons were not broken? And I forgot, oh man, I better double check that I do this right. It says use a number bond to show the take from 10 strategy to solve the problem. Well, we could do that. So let me show you how to do that. They gave you a thinking bubble to do that. Take from 10 is going to be the big number. So let's draw a number bond right there, like a little mountain. You're going to think 14 is 10. And what other number? So to find out, I could just count 11, 12, 13, 14. So 10 and 4 make 14. Okay. Now I'm supposed to think 8 and 10. So take 8 from 10, which is 2, right? We have 2 and this 4 number. So 2 and 4, just like it says over here. What is 2 and 4 together? If I don't know, I can make 2 and then I could draw my 4. And I would know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 14 minus 8 is 6. 14 minus 8 is 6. And we put it right there. Now we're going to continue down on number 2. And we're going to show our thinking with our number bonds. So here's what I want you to do. We're going to make another number bond right there on the 17. And we're going to say that it is the number 10. And you're like, oh, I don't know what other number, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That's 7. So 10 and 7 make 17. So in your brain, you would be thinking, oh, I can do this. 10 minus 7 is what? 8, 9, 10. It's 3, right? So now you're thinking, oh, how do I get the rest of that? So 17 minus 8, you're going to take that 3 and 7, 8, 9. It is 9. Now I just did a lot of work. And if this isn't your favorite way to do this, because you're like, Mrs. Jones, I'm a little bit confused, work with me through this next one and try counting on, because that might be the strategy that you actually like and makes sense to work for you to do that. So here we go. Put your number bond in. Make your little number bond. 18 is 10. And what other number? It's this one right here. Yeah, 8. I might write it out over here to help you visualize what we're thinking. Are you ready? So we're really thinking 10 minus 8 equals what? Do you know that one? Yeah, it's 2. Okay, so now you're thinking, well, what is that? You're thinking now 8 and 2 make what? 10. The answer is 10. There you go. I know that was a little tricky and you might be thinking, whoa, Mrs. Jones, but let's see if when we move on to the counting on to solve, you feel a little better about that. Here's what we're going to do. Count on this time. So we're at 13 minus 8. We're going to count on, and I'm actually going to draw to do this one. So we're going to count 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The answer is right there. I could also have counted on with my fingers. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I got the answer of 5 on my fingers. Let me see if I have 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Does that feel better? If that feels better, that's the one that you should do all the time because it works easier for you or simpler. 15 minus 8. Let's draw it and then let's count with our fingers. So we're counting on from 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And I'm going to do it on my fingers to see if I get the same one. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, I got 7. Oh, must be somebody calling to tell us you're doing great at math. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right, 7. And here we go. We're going to turn the page. So I will back up my camera, turn the page. And this time, if we want, they gave us the number line that we could use to do this. Let me refocus my camera so you can see it better. Let me make it bigger. There we go. Here's the number line at the top. So here it says turn this into a number bond. Let me make that straight for you. Sorry about that. Turn that into a number bond and then write the addition sentence. So here's what we're going to do. 12. 12 is 10. And what other number? 2. Put those in. 10 and 2. Now we're going to come over here and we're like, ooh, what is 12 minus 8? Get on 12. You can draw the hops, or you can just move your pencil if you feel like that might be easier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I just found out 12 minus 8 is 4. So now I know what goes there. 4. And we did not, so did we count on? No way, we counted back and we drew the 10. So it's the take from 10 way we just practiced. Okay, let's do some more. Now we have an 11. We know that we want it to be 10 and 1. 10 and 1 make 11. Now we're going to jump on 11 up here, or we could do it in our brain. So let's try the counting on way. 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, it's 3. So write a 3, write a 3, and this time we counted on. Yeah, that's a lot, but we could do it. We have 2 more, and then later today, you're going to do that homework page. So we have 16. 10 and what make 16? 10 and, yeah, 6. Sorry, I realized I forgot to scoot my book up. So 10 and 6 make 16. All right, now you're thinking I can count on from 8 to 16, and that would work. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. It's this many fingers, so it's 5, 6, 7, 8. So put your 8 in, put your 8 in, and we counted on. It does say, did you use a different strategy? And I did not, so I'm going to leave that blank. One more. Here it is, 19 minus 9. So you need your 10 and your other number. Sorry, my reindeer ears hit my camera. 10 and 9 make 19. Now we can use our number line if we want. And we could just get on that 8 to go to 19 that way. Let's see how many we get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 hops it took me. So 19 minus 8 is 11. And 8 plus 11 is 19. And I counted on using the number line. Nice work. I'll see you later. Thanks for doing math with me. Bye.